All right, the next step is to make a template. If you were to do that, you would you go back into your order. This is the same one we were working on before. You would click Add Event. You would choose who you want your template person. So we do need this. Gerardo is the main one. Then you would click what day you want it. Let's just say we want it for, I'm going to put it for Saturday the 5th since that's already happened. And you would choose your time, whatever time you want. We do need that. Now, these are where you can check off which thing is going to be templated. I've never used that before and it doesn't always come up. So the good thing about it is then people know exactly what you're templating that day. Bad thing is it makes a big, huge list. So I'm not sure if we want this or not. That's going to be something we're going to need to come
Those
up
are
with.
the ones that you just entered.
Yeah. Then status, we never use this. Order stage, I do not use this at this time.
But do you use it in another orders?
I think that they use this when it goes to production, but I don't use it ever in this field, so I don't know if you need it or not. Notes, we don't really use notes on this. Confirmed button, yes, we do use, so we'd say we confirmed it. Complete event, we don't use this now. That's after it comes back into production, they do that.
Well, you do use it.
So you would say at some point, I believe production does. You'll have to talk to Alex. Then you would just hit save event. And you'll see that it comes up here. It's showing it as September 5th, 7 a.m. who the person is, so they know. It'll also show up if you go to view schedule, you go to template, show, and if I go to the 5th, you'll see it here, Water Club Villas.
So you can pick dates that already has happened.
Yes, which I'm only doing that because this obviously doesn't need to be templated. I already have all the drawings, but just to show how to do it. And normally you would obviously not want someone to be able to pick something that already happened.
Yeah.
Because it's not possible. So anyway, so the next step would be printing your paperwork for the template person. So you go back into your order, and this is where it's really annoying. You have to print a drop checklist, which is this page because that'll have the address on it. You'd hit print, you're done with that. Then you have to create these production orders, which they do have a button that says create production orders somewhere over here. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
And if I click on that, it'll make a production order under each one of these boxes like this. Now, currently, you have to individually view each one of these every single time and print them individually like this and hit print.
So you'd like the job ticket to include all the...
I would like a menu, so when you click print, there should be a print job ticket number, and then that would have that list that you saw on the other screen, and you click which ones you want printed. Okay. Almost always you're going to do all of them, but right now it's a pain in the ass because you have to individually go in each one of these, and wait for it to load, and print them instead of just doing once and then printing 9 pages or how many you need. But basically that's all you do. You staple it together. We manually write on the top, just in a bigger form, you know, Tuesday, 8 o'clock, whatever. If we wanted to have a bigger thing that popped up actually so you didn't have to handwrite that, and any special notes in the top right hand corner, that would be a good option. But that's pretty much all you do to make a template.
Okay.